In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma design to Teleport HQ as a new project using the Figma to Code plugin. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the frames you want to export. From here, click the Figma icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. This is where Figma groups all your tools and settings, including plugins. In the menu, click on Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. This opens the management view, which helps you organize and access everything you've installed. Inside the manager, go to the Plugins and Widgets section. This area includes a search bar, which makes it easy to locate exactly what you need. Type Figma to Code to filter the results. You're looking for the Teleport HQ option that appears under that search. Teleport HQ's plugin is designed to translate your Figma layers into production-ready structure, so it's a great way to bridge design and development without leaving your workflow. Once you see Teleport HQ in the list, click it to select it. Next, click the three dots menu next to its name. This opens quick options. Choose View Details to open the plugin's details page. This is useful for confirming you've got the right tool and for seeing a brief description of what it does. When you're ready, click Run. Figma will open the plugin panel so you can proceed without switching apps. With the plugin running, look for the option that says Export as a New Project. Click that. Exporting as a new project keeps your work neatly separated on the Teleport HQ side so you can manage versions, test ideas, or hand off to developers with a clear starting point. Depending on your design, the plugin may process frames, components, and layout information to generate a clean project structure. A few pointers help this go smoothly. Make sure the frames you want to export are clearly named. Sensible names become helpful layer and file names later. Consistent spacing and grouping in Figma often translate into more predictable structure in the exported project. If your design uses auto layout or constraints, those choices can influence how elements flow in the generated code, improving responsiveness. After the export begins, keep Figma open while the plugin completes its work. When it's done, you'll have a fresh project in Teleport HQ that mirrors your design and is ready for refinement, collaboration, and developer handoff. That's it. You click the Figma icon, went to Plugins and Manage Plugins, open Plugins and Widgets, search for Figma to Code, selected Teleport HQ, used the three dots to view details, ran the plugin, and exported as a new project. Thanks for